In this video, I will show you how to transfer money from Credit Agricole Bank. So let's get started. First, log in your account. If you don't have app, you can download this app on Google Play or App Store. This is the first step you need to do, guys. After download this app, you will see your dashboard. So guys, you will see just like this. If you open up on your mobile, click transfer option, this icon. When you click make a transfer option, this one, open your this transfer as I say, and then you will ask you information. You will be asked for first name, write your last name in the bank, write your all details from here, your last name and account number, BIC Swift codes of the recipient bank. In my case, for example, if you use Wise, you can ask your Wise all details, recipient, and you have this optional, you can add the address to branch where you are sending funds, and then write a reason you want to transfer. This is for optional, guys. The things, important things, you make sure add your account number of recipient in this Credit to Agricole. So guys, it is easy steps. I am this guide helpful for you. Don't forget give like and share this video. Just enter your transfer, make a transfer, and then write your all details, first name and last name. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, you can down me in the comment and I will answer your question. This is international transfer, guys, for the branch Credit Agricole.